We are out.
I'm not your boyfriend.
The view of Kanchenjunga. Glenaries.
You're looking एकदम black.
Keventer. Some drink. Toy train में नहीं बैठे था. Dude. Japanese cheesecake.
What this kind of places, bakeries.
Mall Road. Hello. And I guess you are excited. You are, I guess. Guys, look what I just woke up to. Like it's fucking Kanchenjunga from this balcony. See, man, dude. And basically, we are heading towards downstairs to have breakfast, and then we will eventually plan our day. So stay tuned because you're coming with me. For the breakfast, they offered us sambar, plain dosa, poha. Then we also had plain parathas, then some bhatura, and not to forget some chola, along with cookies, cakes, some juice, some fruits, and tea.
Someone is asking Sharmishta which phone she use for her vlogs. Which camera she use for her vlog.
So Summit Grace is basically one of those hotels in Darjeeling जहाँ से you can actually get the view of Kanchenjunga. But we had a talk with the staff. They said you cannot see the Kanchenjunga every day. If you are lucky enough, then only you can see because of the weather. Most of the time it's foggy, so like 2-3 दिन gap में you can see. आज का weather is really good. It's shiny, it's clear, and that's why you can see the full on mountain. The mountain is totally visible. It's looking so damn pretty. I mean, if you are looking for good hotels, I mean, this place is pretty much far from the, marketplace and the mall road. But if you're actually looking for views, a good rooftop hotel with good, view, you can totally check this place out. But as I said, you cannot see every day. If the weather is good, then only the view is visible. Now I will just go take a bath and will change my outfit. And how about a little transition here? This is the outfit. But don't you think something is missing? We are in mountains, Darjeeling, so we want something sweatery. Now it's done. Perfect. I'm wearing this puffer jacket from H&M. This bag is from Zara. It's Prakash ka hai. And this pants from Zara. Prakash ka hai. Shoes from H&M and top from Zara. And this is how my makeup looks. Like basically or finally we are out from the hotel. So now we are confused where to go. We might just go to the mall road or monastery or toy train. or some cafes. Let's see. Doing things unplanned. Oh my goodness, this is a golden retriever. How cute!
I used to eat when I used to stay here in Kursham.
हाँ
हम लोग खाते थे हॉस्टल में.
मीठा चीज
मीठा.
देना.
I'm not your boyfriend.
Ah, what a bitch. Ah, smells weird.
Yeah.
Titora. I don't like it. तीखा है. Hello. Hello. And we finally decided to come here at the Mall Road, and we're currently just next to the clock tower. Finally made it to Glenary's for our lunch today. We just ordered our food. We ordered roasted chicken sizzler, जिसमें veggies है and sizzler है chicken है, which is for rupees 460. Tax will be added, which is not here, and the view is literally amazing, like insane. Like it looks like I'm floating in cloud or something like that. Let me show you. Also, they have a lot of continental Chinese food items, and we are having continental. Obviously, continental में इन लोगों का chicken, hamburger, steak है, roasted pork and French fries, fried fish and chips, chicken cutlet, beef cutlet, a lot of this, and everything is around 400 to 300. And chow mein वगैरह भी है. Chopsies are there, chicken chopsy, American chopsy, and many more. And they also have drinks if you want to have drinks, wine, beer, everything. Also, this is basically a bakery, so in downstairs you can also have a lot of different kind of cakes, yummy cakes. We'll try once we are downstairs. This roasted sizzler is perfect for two. The quantity was perfect, the quality was good, the taste was good, but I really don't recommend this sizzler to you guys because of the main thing, which is the chicken, which felt really rubbery in texture. It can be because of the weather or they have overcooked the meat. और तो और मुझे ये भी लगा कि सिजलर थोड़ा प्राइजी था. It was costed around 460 rupees, but after including tax and GST, it was 483 rupees.
What do you want to have?
So guys, how about some cheese? cheesecake, and then also here we have this cheese pie. So we are going for,
I don't know what you're going for.
I guess we are going for Japanese food.
Okay.
So here is the Japanese cheesecake, and I'm gonna try it now. So good. Soft yet crunchy.
Places like this. No?
Ah,
When I
Shimla.
think about Simla, I think about this kind of places, bakeries.
Yeah, these places are full of bakery. I guess Glenary's is the only one.
Yes, the place is empty now. Take my picture and fuck off.
So we are done with Glenary's, and now we are heading towards
Keventers.
Keventers. I mean, why not? If we are here, let us just eat.
Destroy our diets.
Yeah.
Cute.
क्या करना है? We are already full. Drinks? Guys, we got ourselves some Darjeeling teapot, which costed us around 70. We are here at the clock tower. Just going inside. I don't even know if this is allowed or not. It's pretty. रुक ना, what the fuck is that? I'm not using it. इसको लगता है I'm using him for the views. कौन सा तू भुवन बाम है? Now we are heading towards toy train, which I can see right now actually. Also, I'm also filming another vlog, things to do in Darjeeling, trying my best. So थोड़ा vlog में थोड़ा problem हो रहा है. हम लोग आ चुके हैं टॉय ट्रेन के इधर. So basically we thought of riding toy train, but जो स्टीम टॉय ट्रेन है जिसमें चढ़ना था एक्चुअली, वो सुबह के 9 बजे और हम लोग का चेक इन दोपहर के 2 बजे, तो वी वोंट बी एबल टू मेक इट. ऑल्सो दैट्स अ राउंड ट्रिप घूम स्टेशन में 2 घंटे का आई गेस. So I will write it down here, every details. So yeah, that's the thing. Also without steam wala, it's pretty basic. It's good, obviously it's good, but I was actually looking for the steam one. So yeah, but I got some clips. I will show you guys. वैसे just थोड़ा नीचे जाते हैं, वैसे.
ठीक है चलो. कल खा लेना मोमो.
Got soft tea from Keventer's, which is just for 40 rupees. Also, we are back again at Mall Road because we have a collaboration with Marchand Tea Bar. So we are heading there now. See this. See the view. Yes, the view is amazing, right? because I am here at the most amazing tea bar cafe. This is Matcha and Tea Bar Cafe. Kindly underrated, right? You don't know about it, now you know about it. So I'm totally enjoying this view with sunset selfies, and basically we have a collaboration here for Instagram, and now we're gonna try their specially curated menu for us. And अभी तक हम लोगों ने ऑर्डर किया है blueberry frappe and tea. Can't wait to try. Serve some drinks. This is the blueberry frappe and this is mocha. This is a iced tea mocha.
Before ये मेरे खाने पे जूठा कर दे, let me just drink it. I hate drinking anyone jutta. If other people are comfortable, they can have my jutta, but I am not comfortable having anyone's jutta. But she has a habit of taking ज़्यादा अपना जूता.
No one is interested, Prakash. No one is interested. इस कैफे को ओपन हुए 2 साल ही हुआ है, इसीलिए I was like, why people don't know about it? Why the tourists don't come here? Why the tourists don't post about it? Because it's a newbie cafe. It's nice. Can I try this with my
Later on, मेरा पीने दो मैडम.
Look at him. इसको अकेले ही ठंड लगता है. अचानक से ठंड लग रहा है ना?
हाँ.
चद्दर.
Take it out. हम जब बोले थे ले लो तो नहीं.
मैंने लिया ब्रो.
ये मैंने बोला था लेने.
I knew it that I have to take my चद्दर. मम्मी का चद्दर. Thank you, mom.
देख तो क्या हो रहा है.
फू क्यों दे रहा है? Guys, look at this pasta full of cheese. हम लोगों ने पिज़्ज़ा और बर्गर पैक करवा लिया बिकॉज वी कैन ईट इतना. Just having this wings and cheese pasta here. How do you like the wings? Good. Little spicy. बहुत देर पहले ही आ चुके हैं होटल पे एंड फुल होटल में लाइट नहीं है. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज डाउन, बट यहाँ पे आ रहा है जा रहा है. आई गेस दे आर यूजिंग क्या बोलते हैं जनरेटर, बट इट्स फकिंग स्केरी. आई एम सो स्केयर्ड. अभी प्रकाश पानी गर्म कर रहा है बिफोर करंट एकदम चला जाए. वी विल चार्ज आवर फोन. पावर बैंक चार्ज कर देती हो. ऑल्सो वी वेंट डाउन बिकॉज करंट की वजह से कॉल नहीं जा रहा है. So we went down to the restaurant and we got some gulab jamuns to eat with pizza and burger, which we got from the Machan restaurant. Dinner. Everything is fail in front of this amazing gulab jamun. Just packing all my stuff, all the clothes and stuff, because tomorrow we are moving out to another hotel which is also by Summit, but it's near to the Mall Road, Darjeeling, and it's the which I will say tomorrow. Only if you watch my vlogs properly you will get to know where I am going, what I am doing and what I am eating, etc. And also after this packing I will go sleep, and before that I will remove my makeup and clean my face. Yeah, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And तब तक के लिए don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye.